How are you, my dear students? Well, I want you to recommend the site cuaed.unam.mx/English_media and click here, for example, because if you click here, I don't know what happened, but if you click here, oh my God, if you click here on profesores, it's okay. So here we have the content by levels and also by particular themes. For example, here, adjective for physical description, be and have. For example, we're going to work with it. So click on here. Let's do this, allow it, and then where is it? Be and have, control. Okay, just you have to click on that. Okay, here we have the adjective for physical description with be and have. That is our theme on Unit 1. For example, if you're going to describe the color, he has white hair, he has black hair, or shapes, he has straight hair, or eyes, he has brown eyes. And with the verb to be, well, where is the verb to be? No, this is all of it, all of those exercises are verb to have. Let's see. Well, here in number 2, it says to have, to describe long hair, blue eyes, and so on. And to be, her hair is long, my brother's eyes are blue, and so on. Okay. Number 3, to have, well, they explain to you. Here we have quizzes. Also, you're going to practice with these quizzes, and also by skills. For example, reading, you're going to read, look at it, and then you're going to check here. Or listenings, you're going to listen. For example, let's see. Well, listen, I am not.
He is bald and he has brown eyes. He has bushy eyebrows.
Okay, they are describing, they have already done the description, and then you're going to click, no, this is not, and so on. Okay, we have writing, you're going to complete, and also speaking, so you are going to practice also your speaking. Okay, so that is the point I wanted to tell you, that this is a very good place and you're going to be working with this very it's very fun. Okay, goodbye, bye now.